Let me tour around this 39 million home here in Silang, Cavite. This property is inside Bali Mansions in Silang, Cavite by Cathay Land. This property sits in a lot area of 253 square meters with a floor area of 345 square meters. This is a property that is an end corner lot na walang katabi po sa isang side, and it's just an alleyway, which is very advantageous because hindi kayo magkadikit. This property has 3 bedrooms, an entertainment room, a maidroom with its own toilet and bath, a study. It has 4 toilet and bath, a powder room, and a living room with a double height ceiling, which is very beautiful. And meron din tayong 3 chandelier na napakaganda, a carport that can fit 2 vehicles, and you just appreciate yung mixture of wood natin na mahogany and tangili. Sobrang ganda niya. If you would like to see this property in the actual, or you'd like to go on a site visit, you can contact us in the contact information posted on the screen or in the comment section and description box. Bye guys!